Journey with us to a place where Nigeria's history of conflict and resilience is preserved in vivid detail. The National War Museum in Umuahia, Nigeria stands as a testament to the country's turbulent history, particularly highlighting the Nigerian Civil War from 1967 to 1970. Located in Umuahia, Abia State, the museum was established in 1985, chosen for its historical significance as the last capital of Biafra. Inside, you will find three main galleries: traditional warfare, armed forces, and the Nigerian Civil War. Discover indigenous weapons like spears, bows, and shields in the Traditional Warfare Gallery, showcasing the ingenuity of early Nigerian societies. Explore the Armed Forces Gallery, chronicling Nigeria's military evolution with uniforms, medals, and highlights of Nigeria's peacekeeping missions. The Nigerian Civil War Gallery offers a poignant look at the conflict with exhibits like military vehicles, artillery, personal items from the war, General Ojuku's bunker, and the Ogbunigwe explosive. Memories dedicated to those lost in the Civil War, future plaques, photographs, and personal stories, providing a humanizing context to the history. Guided tours and interactive displays enrich the visitor experience, offering deep engagement with the exhibits. Please note, there are restrictions on taking pictures and videos to preserve the integrity of the artifacts. Facing maintenance and funding challenges, the museum plans to expand and modernize to enhance visitor experiences. The National War Museum is vital for preserving Nigeria's military history and promoting understanding of past conflicts, contributing to national healing. Thank you for joining us at the National War Museum in Umuahia. Like, share and subscribe for more insights into Africa's diverse regions. Until next time, keep exploring.